This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make spinach quiche, full guide. Preheat oven to 375 degrees F and blind bake the crust for 10 minutes while you sauté spinach with garlic and a pinch of salt. Whisk eggs with cream, season with nutmeg and black pepper, then fold in cooled spinach and grated cheese. Pour into the warm crust and bake until set and golden, about 35 to 40 minutes. Sauté garlic and onion until soft, then add spinach in batches so it wilts quickly and evenly. Remove excess moisture by squeezing spinach in a clean towel or press in a fine sieve. Let the mixture cool slightly before folding into the egg and cream custard to avoid scrambling the eggs when mixed. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car. Grab Little Tree's black ice to keep your drive smelling fresh while you enjoy a warm slice of quiche. I find it funny how a great scent pairs with kitchen success, and you can find the link and other deals in the description. Now let's get back to the video. Whisk 1 cup heavy cream with 4 large eggs for a smooth, custardy texture and season with salt, pepper, and a pinch of nutmeg. Mix the cooled spinach and grated cheese into that custard so every slice has balance. Fill the pre-baked crust evenly, smooth the top, and bake until the center is just set and lightly golden for a perfect sliceable quiche.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.